Hello there, young learner. Today, we're going to meet a little hero from the world of punctuation, the full stop. Yes, that tiny little dot at the end of a sentence has a big job to do. So sit back and get ready to hear the tale of the full stop and why it's the king of punctuation. It's time to meet our little hero, full stop. Once upon a time, in the land of sentences, there lived a tiny but mighty punctuation mark named full stop. He was round, small, and always at the end of every meaningful sentence. Full stop had one very important rule. When he appears, it's time to pause. The sentence has ended. For example, look at these. I love reading books. The sun is shining bright. We are going to the park. Did you see how full stop came to the rescue at the end of each thought? Without him, all the sentences would run into each other and no one would know when to stop. Imagine this. I love reading books. The sun is shining bright. We are going to the park. Confusing, right? That's why full stop is like a traffic signal for sentences. When you see it, you stop, take a breath, and get ready for the next sentence. Here's our little full stops problem. One day in the land of sentences, something strange happened. A group of mischievous commas decided to take over full stop's job. They started showing up at the end of sentences, causing chaos. I like apples, the dog ran away, she's my best friend. The people reading the sentences got very confused. They didn't know when a sentence was over. Where is full stop? They cried. Hearing this, full stop quickly returned. He stood firmly at the end of every sentence, putting things back in order. The readers sighed in relief. Now everything makes sense again. Now it's time to discuss why full stop is important. Let's play a quick game to see how important full stop is. Read this sentence without a full stop. The boy ran to the store to buy milk but forgot to get change, and then he went to his friend's house and then he came back home and played games. Whew, that's one long sentence. It's tiring, isn't it? Now let's add full stops. Number 1, the boy ran to the store to buy milk. Number 2, he forgot to get change. Number 3, then he went to his friend's house. Number 4, later, he came back home and played games. Much better. Full stop gives us time to breathe and understand each thought clearly. Let's learn some simple rules about full stop. How to use full stop correctly. At the end of a sentence, use it to show that a sentence is complete. Example: the bird is singing. For abbreviations, use it in short forms of words. Example: doctor, Mr. Meister, etc. and so on. In decimal numbers, use it to separate whole numbers from fractions. Example: 3.14, 25.5. Did you know full stop has a secret power? He's also called a period in American English. That's right, full stop has another name and works just as hard around the world. Our little hero full stop saves the day. Let's end with a fun story about how full stop saved the land of sentences. One day, the sentences decided to have a race to see which one was the fastest. But without full stop, they all crashed into each other, and no one could understand what they were saying. "Help us, full stop," they shouted. Full stop came running, placed himself at the end of each sentence and said, "Now try again, one at a time." The sentences lined up properly and ran the race smoothly. Everyone cheered for full stop, the true hero who kept everything in order. A quick quiz. Let's see how well you know full stop. Where do you put a full stop in this sentence? I like to play with my dog. Answer: at the end. Which sentence is correct? I like ice cream. Answer the second one because it has a full stop. Let's jump to the conclusion. So, the next time you write a sentence, remember to invite full stop to the party. He's small but mighty, and without him, our words would never make sense. And hey, if you ever forget to use full stop, don't worry, he's always ready to jump in and save the day. End of the chapter. But is it really the end? Well, that's for full stop to decide. Dear learners, always remember, today's hard work is tomorrow's success. Stay curious, stay determined. Stay tuned to us for more interesting and informative videos. Bye-bye.